What's up? Ryan McMorris here with Intentional Lifestyle Creators. And first, if you made it to this page, congratulations. You are about to see something that has truly changed our life and has changed a lot of the people that we work with. We had to share this thing with you. Now, it's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is a challenge that I truly believe that everybody who runs an online business should go through, but so many people out there don't even know what this challenge is. What we learned in this challenge has truly saved my ass multiple times, and I want to share it with you because it can not only save your ass, but it can help you make a lot of money and truly change your life. This is not an ILC challenge. This is actually something that we participated in as well ourselves. So we actually bought this challenge ourselves. We participated in it and we're doing it again. We want to do it over because we got some really good results and we want to stack those results. So we're actually doing the next upcoming challenge as well. Now, if you're not familiar with our story, we've been in home business and building online businesses since 2014. We got our start in network marketing that led to some stuff in affiliate marketing, and it started to help us get into like our own courses and our own membership and coaching. And it always wasn't like that. We had our times where we struggled. We had our times where we lost everything. And each time we made it over a hurdle, it was because we dialed in a funnel. Back in 2015, I was actually fired from my job, the last job that I ever worked. I was fired from that job and I was scared. I was in a place where something had to change. It was do or die, like make this business work or go find another job. And it was that time where I came across the concept of building a funnel and driving traffic to that funnel. And when I did, I ended up enrolling over 267 people in my network marketing business. And that changed my life because it put me in a position that I never had to go back to work again. And then about a year and a half later, we were going through, I was actually in a challenge to hit a new rank in an affiliate contest that only 30 people had ever hit. And I was kind of going through the motions and I thought to myself, man, what did I do last time I was in trouble? I sat down and I built a funnel and I was able to hit that rank in a time period that I had no idea that I could do it. A friend who hit me up and said, hey, are you gonna hit this rank? I said, no, there's no way. It's impossible for me to do this. But I made a funnel and I did it on the exact day and I got that award. And again, my income went from $4,000 a month in that affiliate program to $8,000 a month in literally 2 weeks. There was another time in our career where we literally lost like 90% of our membership and we lost a huge chunk of our income. And we had nowhere to turn. I actually had to start driving Uber just to kind of supplement my income. We had a big house, cars. I had to do something. We had to do everything we could to get some cash. And what we did is we actually hired someone, paid thousands of dollars to help us, like our last thousands of dollars, to help us build a funnel and dial it in. And we were able to put $7,000 in our pocket that month to help us kind of to get back on our feet. The point that I'm trying to make here is each time we've jumped or hit a hurdle or made another step in our career, it's because we got serious about one funnel. And it's helped us in our lives, it's changed our lives, and it's changed our business. And the cool thing is, with this One Funnel Away challenge, they've actually put together something for $100 that we've paid thousands for. Hundreds of thousands if you really add up like all the things we've learned over the years. It's all jam-packed in this 30 days. So I truly believe that every marketer, if you are building an online business, you have to go through this challenge. The cool thing is you don't have to go in alone. So whether you're new or whether you're old, this challenge is perfect for you, and we're gonna make sure that you get the most out of this challenge. So ClickFunnels actually put together like $4,000 worth of bonuses, but we at Intentional Lifestyle Creators, me and my wife, we wanted to throw something extremely special together. So we actually put together an ILC added bonuses for those of you that want to go through this challenge with us, alongside of us, okay? That means we're gonna be doing it with you. I'm gonna share my screen with you really quickly and show you all the bonuses that you're gonna get when you go when you do this challenge alongside us, okay? Now, here are your instructions. Once you go through this video, make sure that you click the link below. You can watch the video on the next page. You get your spot in the One Funnel Away challenge, and make sure you go through our link. If you don't get access to your challenges. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a screenshot of your receipt. You can either send it to me if we're friends on Facebook, or you can send it to support@ilcuniversity.com, and then you'll get access to all of your bonuses. Make sure you do let us know your full name and your mailing address so we can send you your physical bonuses as well. All right, now, and then step number 3 is just mark your calendar and get ready, because we are gonna help you so much to change your business over the next 30 days. So if you are ready to do that, watch the rest of this video and we'll see you inside. And don't forget to follow the instructions right here below, okay? All right, so when Wes and I sat down and we went through this challenge ourselves, we said, holy crap, we got to promote this thing. And how can we make this such a no-brainer that it just makes people have to get in this challenge, because so we can truly change their lives. So this is what we came up with. We put together a bonus Facebook group for you guys where we're going to be sharing everything that we are doing through the challenge, so you can kind of see behind the scenes of what we're doing as a bonus. We you get our sales scripts. You're going to get our posting guide, our social media posting guide, our curiosity guide. You're going to get our time management guide, our time management training. You're going to get our follow-up scripts and our follow-up guide. You're going to get our email marketing training. So we'll show you everything that we do in terms of email. You're going to get our ClickFunnels video series. So we're going to show you our funnels, and we'll share our funnels with you. Okay. So we have, now we only recommend, working on one funnel, but depending on what you're working on, this is the most, I think it's more valuable than $97 in my opinion. But we'll give you access to our top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 funnels. Okay. Now, you build one funnel at a time, but we have a one-on-one coaching funnel. We have a masterclass funnel. We have funnels for our lead magnets. We have a funnel for a live webinar. We have a funnel for our membership. We have a funnel for our network marketing company. We have a funnel for what else do we have? Our products in our network marketing company. So we'll share every funnel with you with our share funnel link. So that means all you do is click on the link and the funnel will go to your ClickFunnels account. All right. How cool is that? We'll also give you access to our module 1 of our staple course, Instant Profit System. You'll get module 1 of that. And we put together a really, really cool secret playlist of things that have helped us make a ton of money for free YouTube videos. So we put together a playlist for you guys, a custom playlist of our favorite YouTube videos that have helped us make a lot of money over the last 5 years. You're going to get our vision exercises to help you attract more money and attract better people in your life and your business. You're going to get our 10K Fan Builder Blueprint, which is our traffic course. It's a course to show you how to get all the free traffic in the world. You're going to get live weekend Q&As. So for 5 weeks, you're going to get Q&As on the weekend so you can answer questions, and we'll do walkthroughs with you. You're going to get a free copy of Expert Secrets in the mail. You're going to get a wristband in the mail from ILC. You're going to get an IPS workbook so you can work through Instant Profit System and what we do in that course to help you get a lot of traffic and help you have way better conversations and make more sales. There's going to be weekly prizes in this bonus group. You're also going to get a discount on our upcoming women's retreat, okay, or the next women's retreat that we host. And one person is going to be put in a drawing to win a free VIP day with us. Okay, so it means you get to come to the ILC compound, you get to hang out. We pay for your hotel. All you got to do is get here. We pay for your food, and we'll laptop it for 8 hours, and you get a full VIP day with us, and we'll have a bonus fun day. All right, so that's going to be pretty fun. And 100% money back guarantee. Okay, if you go through all 30 days of this challenge and you are not satisfied, then we'll actually pay you for the challenge. All right, and one person is going to be put in a prize to get $150. So at the end, the person that participates the most, we're just going to say, hey, look, you were the most participating in this challenge. Day 31, here's $150 to pay for your challenge and $50 on top of that. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I want to show you what you actually get inside the One Funnel Away challenge. All right. So what you're seeing here is the One Funnel Away challenge. Like I said, guys, we paid the same $100 you're about to pay, and we got into this challenge ourselves just to see what it was about. So I'm going to log in real quick. And this is what's inside. Okay, so this is just to kind of give you a little teaser of what you get inside. Okay, so what you'll see is you'll just click over here on mission training. Okay, you can see we're in the June challenge right now. Okay, so the next one will say August or whenever you get in this challenge. Okay. Remember, they don't do this challenge all the time, and you have to go through it in 30 days, and all these trainings disappear. Okay, so you can see, it's divided up into pre-training, week 1, week 2, week 3. We're just getting started in week 4, and then we have one more week. So I'm telling you, I love this training because, man, I can't all the stuff inside. So I'm just going to click on one of my favorites, like offer sequencing. So this is this is how it works. You get one training from Russell Brunson. That's right here. Okay. You get another training from Julie, who is the freelance expert at ClickFunnels. She's an amazing marketer. And then you get a bonus training by Steven each and every day. So you can just choose whether or not you want to go through all 3, whether or not you just want to listen to Russell for the day, and then you get a bonus downloaded worksheet that you can fill in. And some additional resources. You get that every single day. So imagine getting coached from 3 8-figure earners every single day. And then you also end up getting 30 interview series. So I remember when we really needed to get things going in our life, we used one of these interviews to get some one-on-one clients. It was by Liz. So what we did, and you can literally go find whichever one works best for you. But for us, we were like, oh, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. We'll just do high-end coaching. Now, you may not be able to do high-end coaching. You can go find the interview series that works best for you and just listen to it and then go apply it. Like, what would these people do if they lost everything in 30 days? That happened to us, and all we did was plug into an interview, and we ended up closing like 4 clients. So I'm telling you, it works. Now, if you get this in the mail, you'll actually get a physical copy of the trainings in MP3 form on this, okay? Like I said, we're going to send you a free copy of Expert Secrets in the mail. So make sure you put that in the you follow the instructions there. You're actually going to get a physical copy of the One Challenge Away worksheet. All right, and you're going to get a copy of the interview series in book form. And so, I mean, pretty insane. All right. So make sure you click the link below. Okay. Get your access to this challenge. Now, remember, only the first 25 people get access to the bonuses. Okay. So once the bonuses are gone, they are gone. That's it. But I'm telling you, this challenge is worth it no matter you get the bonuses or not. It will change your life. So click the link below. Okay. Watch the video on the next page, or just get your spot to this challenge, because it will change your life. Okay. It changed our life. It changed our business. And I know it will do the same thing for you. All right. See you inside.